Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a photo book called Set Something in Motion, as you can see, and it is a lay fan site. And yeah, so I think you're probably wondering why I suddenly bought a lay photo book all of a sudden, but I blame it all on TLP in Singapore. They just shot up my bias list, and I think he's my favorite of the EXO-M members, so yep. I'll put a clip of my fan cam right after this, I guess, so because you can see that he was waving to me, like on my area, but I like to think that he waved to me, so yeah, but it's quite blurry, but I guess you can get the gist of it, so I will put the clip in here. So after the excitement, let's just get on to the freebies. So the freebies came in one big pack like this, and yeah, I was really excited to get a photo book that is not Kai's and Minho's. So yeah, so here's the tin case, and it has Set Something in Motion, and then this origami thing. I think it's the shape of a rabbit, but I'm not sure. And yeah. And there are 40 photo cards inside, and they are so glorious. They are glossy, and the back just has this Set Something in Motion, and then MUSTPLAN, the fan site name, down below. And yeah, so I'll just go through really quickly. So handsome in this. And he made a really sincere speech, I think, during TLP, and I guess that made me fall in love with him. Yep. So handsome. And yep, that's the last one. I'll just show you the back again. And yep, that is all for the photo cards. And then let's go on to the set of postcards. This is the first one. And this is the logo. Yep. And then the back is just plain. And yeah, so handsome. So handsome. And yep, those are those. And also came with an anti-radiation sticker, which is in the shape of a unicorn, design of a unicorn. Hope you can see that, but it's really cute. Just looks like this. And the back is just like this. Anti-electromagnetic wave. So yep, that's that. And we also get a fan, which is so pretty. I live for fan site goods, honestly. So yep, and this is the back. And yep, that's that. And that's not all. You also get an L folder. So this is it. And then the back is just the same. Yep. Except that this is more of a black and white. Like it's more grayish, and then this has more color, like it's blue. Yep. And inside it has posters. It has 2 posters, which as usual I'll put a photo of it at the end of my video. So yeah. And then last but not least, for freebies, you have a DVD. Yep. And oh, I realized I was holding it wrongly. Set something in motion. Yep. Then it looks like this. Here's the track list. Yep. And then here's the other side of it. Yeah. Hey. Oh no, it's not coming out. Okay, it's out. It's like this. Yep. That's that. And yeah, so that's all the freebies that I got, so let's head on to the photo book. So this is the photo book, and I really like the design. It's so abstract and so cool. And then here you have the logo on it. Yep. And I'll show you the spine. Just says set something in motion and must plan. Yep. And then I'll show you the back. So pretty. Here's just the origami bits. And then a ring of unicorns. And yep, the logo again. And I think it's about 200 pages. It feels like it's about 200 pages. It's so thick. And yep. So as usual, I'm just gonna flip to 3 random pages just to give you guys a gist. And yeah, ooh, I think this is for EXO Showtime. Not really too sure, but yep. And a glimpse of D.O. And then, ooh, handsome. I really like him in black hair. And him giving heart fan service. And then last one, let's choose one in front. Hey! He looks so high. Here, and then Prince. Yeah, so I guess that's that. And just a quick glance. And yeah. It also came with a dust bag, which is shown at the start of the video, so yeah. And I will be uploading a compilation of all my fan cams during TLPSG, so do look out for that. And yeah, see you guys soon, I hope. Yeah, probably soon, because I bought a lot of stuff recently. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye!